At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Why, Joe?
What did he say?
He asked me to greet
him. He sent his greetings all the time. Greetings, greetings, greetings.
What do you want again?
So this is one day.
Mommy, Daddy!
Where did you go?
I have good news for you!
Good news, tell me. I can't wait, tell me. Good news.
You know, you always tell me I should get married, I should get married. And now, by God's grace, I found someone that loves me and ready to marry me!
Nice one.
Wonderful.
I'm so happy. Come on, my dear.
Don't mind.
Please, tell me about his background. Talk to me.
He's called Romeo David Amwatson and he's from Mampong.
Mampong? Asokore Mampong?
Mommy, not Asokore
Mampong.
No.
Which of the Mampongs?
Tell me. Mampong.
I'm so happy. At last. My dear,
Mommy,
you've said everything, but you didn't mention what he does for living.
Oh, he drives Pragya.
What? Pragya?
Mommy, but
don't marry me! Pragya, you've really disappointed me. Listen, how can a Pragya driver take care of you, me, your dad and your sister? What is wrong with you, Pragya driver?
soon, Ajwa.
Hold me, Ajwa. My in-law will be a driver over my dead body.
Are you okay?
Hey, Louisa, where is this girl?
Louisa, you have a call. Where is she?
Allow me. Hey, Romeo, my lover, the Prague driver. Hello?
Louisa, let me tell you, stay away from my husband because I suffer with him before we get what we gain. Go and look for yours. Don't be like your mother who is an opportunist, enjoying your father's money.
Hello, please. Mahuofe, this is not Louisa, but her father.
Good to hear. Then please talk to her. She shouldn't be like your wife who is enjoying your money.
Please, let me make this thing clear. You see, my wife is not opportunist, as you said. Because I started my life with her, which I had nothing. And everything I have now is the hard working of my wife and I. So please, don't ever use that word again, okay?
Then why don't you allow Louisa to marry the Pragia driver who loves her? If what you are saying is true.
So please, who is speaking?
Look back.
Louisa. So you are the one.
Hey. Papa. Louisa.
Why are you crying? Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. You know, I'm the head of the house. And you know me, your father, I'm capable of doing everything. You see? Whatever I say is fun. Stop crying. See that? I have a plan for you. Stop crying. I have a plan for you. Your father is talking to you. Louisa, it's Romeo. You will marry.
Yes.
If you really love him.
I love him. Love is care, understanding, honest, and above all, sacrifice. And Romeo has it all.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Don't worry. Everything will be alright. Your mother adheres to practical advice. So now, this is what you are going to do. Set the date for my brother.
Thank you, Daddy. And forgive me. Now I know love is greater than everything.
That's it.
Yeah, bring him home. We will accept him, yeah. Forgive your mother.